Sabi ko dati, balik isa. Paul? Paul? Toma, dati na pala ulit. Toma, atak, Lenta, Panabaw. Russell naman ulit. Russell, atak. Panabaw. Paul naman. 10 seconds to shoot. Paul? Number 25, Janty. Vincent Local Janty. Dito, ang ganda nun. Medyo okay na natin. Pero sinay. Nagpwede ng shot, John. Tukus, wide open three. Connect on way downtown. I need to 10 seconds to play. Jaluma, wide open three. Defense, Jaluma. Out the pass to 21. To Janty. Jomar, using the muscle with two. Sinay, Jomar again. Using the glass. Connect. Very good shot by Jock. Kalistao. Out the pass. 3-1 situation. Wide open three. Nothing but net for three. Out the pass. Wala. Ano ba yung sponsor? Yung sponsor mo si Tamate. Pero yung back kay walk away out the pass to B-Boy. B-Boy. Tuturuan for B-Boy. Valencia. Sino ito Jomar? Jomar. Lamang na, wide open three. Stay connect. Rebutan ay Gabriel. Kailan ito pwedeng tusok. Isang by Janty. Janty to play. Janty lang. 2 seconds. Isinay sa pwedeng. Pero shot by Janty. Grabe stinging. Janty to play. Kalistao gaya ito. Kalistao step back three. Connect on way downtown again for Kalistao. Looking to play Russell. Connect for Murray. For Russell Lozana. Ito number 77 Cruz. Okay, jungle between two numbers. Ace foul, winning the team. Setting the play. Jomar, taking three. Wide open shot. Malamig. Give over number 18. Got a foul. Foul number. First shot by Rodriguez. Nothing but net. Mga referee natin, mga batang-bata, malilinaw pa mata niya.
Sa Rodriguez, magagaling yun.
To number 18, wide open from the baseline three. Short. Ibabay Cruz to Bernon, nagmamadali. Bernon, umakake. Easy basket by Bernon. Valencia. Jomar again. Jomar, using the muscle, using the glass. Connect by Jomar. Using the leather, Gabriel to Bernon. Bernon, nagmamadali again. Easy na isa, using the glass. It's good again. Back to for Bernon, Valencia. Ibabay Janty. To Jomar. Take the shoot. Janty again. He pass to Jomar. Easy basket by Jomar Santos. 7 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Kalistao. Fingering the play to Cruz. Cruz looking for his teammate. To Rodolfa. Jom. Baseline J. Connect. Piso-piso para kay Jom. Too strong. Ito ang Rodolfa. To Cruz. Crossover move. Cruz. Kick out pass to Valencia. Connect. Water Sidin. Very good shot by Valencia. Ayuntong. To Chantil. Jomar using the muscle, spin, Pinay, Jomar again, using the glass, connect, very good shot by Jock. South, B-boy, Valencia, lays up, 6 minutes, very good shot by Valencia. 6 minutes and 5 seconds to play. Okay, Jimmy Cruz, from way downtown to strong. Second team foul for the in-sound. Joko again. Joko. Skip pass. Santos takes. Attack. Using the glass again. Skip layup is good for Jomar Santos. Cruz. From the mid is good. Well, Bolton and Stones. Jump. To Cruz. Wide open three. Connect on way downtown. Using the screen. Joko. Paxel. Tagana. To Joko. Attack sa middle using the glass connect. Joko Ayuntong. Kalista, guarding kayo. Matakbo na naman ang A-Sound. Baseline. Pass, Ajay, Cruz, takes, almost here, number 6, ang ganda naman ang pasa nun, very good shot. Anong number yun? Jomar, using the muscle, bata, foul, blocking foul, ang tinawag. Hello. Baseline game. Easy basket for the A-Sound. Ang bilis na crossover move. Attack. Using the leather. Turnover. Kalistao. Outlet pass. 3-on-1 situation. Wide open three. Nothing but net for three. Kalistao. Transition again. Gabriel. Kick out pass. Wide open. Baseline J. Connect again for number 2. Back to back. Here we go. Almost here. Santos, wide open. Crossover, using the muscle. But a foul. Is foul is correct? Arigawa number 2. 18 seconds to play. Ang ganda ng pasahan. What a connection for the A-Sound. 10 seconds to play. 7 seconds.
Lugana, tayo, Lugana.
1. Ang score natin 16-31, 15 point lead for the A-Sound. Sampai. Ready set, guys, go. Rem, saglit lang, Rem, saglit. Saglit, walang oras. Nahugot. Kita Captain Siruma. Number 11, one way downtown. For 3. Connects for number 11. Can connect. Number 11, out the pass, go, Pace, ada number. Wala. Ano naman yung Escorto? Escorto, masih sa muscle. Very good shot by Escorto. What a power. Showing handles, guarding by number 13. Shot clock winding down. 8 seconds to shoot. Return pass. 5 seconds. Number 21 from way downtown. Rattles it in. Very good shot. Setting the play to Russell attacks. Full drop shot is good. 37, sorry. Kalistao, the point guard, ang ganda ng pasa rin. Can finish. Can naman. Very good shot by number 15. Setting the play. Looking for speed. Sublimal fire is good. Very good shot. Ang score natin is 25-41. Lumalay na naman. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Sharuma, wide open three. Stephen Sharuma, 3 points. Kalistao. Yusik Hernandez. Still by Sharuma. First special. Still by number 22. Basic mid-range game. Only point lead. Russell. To Joko. To Jantil. Wide open three. Nothing but there for Green. Jantil. Pusayan. Pusaya. At ila sa point guard. Pagtaas naman ng pasang. Nako ni Ugana. What a play. Baseline. Nice shot. Time out. Ace down. Time out muna po. Tinawag ni Ace down. We have only 2 minutes and 14 seconds to play. 37, 43, 6. Kalis now. To number 20. Almost losing the runner. Kalis now. Using the screen. Mid-range Jay can't connect. Pero may draw Talingkong. Oh, under pass to Racket. Easy play. Hello, Joko again. Joko going under. Rodriguez. Drop to Racket. All away Jay. Very good shot. Kaya Russell Ugana. Isa na lang ang kalaban. Joko Talingkong. Justin. King out to Jawar. Jawar. Easy basket. Can't connect. Very good shot. By Rodriguez. Laro na. Shot clock is off. Joko. Using the clock. Shot clock melting down. 15 seconds to shoot. Jawar from way downtown. Using the clock. Connect. Jawar. 3 points. It's in the Jantil. 5 seconds. Back to back. Under the bench. And reverse for Rodriguez. Grabe yung back to back na yun. Hello. Nagpagana ng Alfonso ang kagabi. Lapit lahat ah. Okay, back to the ball game. Kalistao. Crossover move. Guarding the ball. Follow Jay. Ken connect. Lima Rice. Kanya Rice. Kalistao. Tukul. Shot clock winding down. Ken connect again. Joko. Looking for his teammate. Russell. Connects for Green. Shot for Russell Ugana.
Joko. Low. Sound check. Sound.
Ace down. Ang score natin is
54-45.
54-45. Nabalintad na. 9-point lead. The ace time. Point guard. Signaling the play. Looking for his teammate. Joko. Alley play. Too strong. Very good rebound for the DBD. Number 4. From the foul line, it's good. Alam ko eh, no? Titira. Nakasala. Kalistao. From the midfield, connect for Kalistao. Wide open three. Joko. 3 points. Wide open. Nasa ng defender. 6 minutes and 53 seconds to play. 57, 59, 47. Kalistao, 52. It's small but terrible. It's basket by Calistao. The point guard, Joko, using the glass, too strong, can connect. Russell, from the outside, nothing but net. From downtown, connect for Russell Lugana. Right open number 2, takes, attack, kick out pass, Calistao, from deep, is good. Dribble pa, to number 2. Number again, wide open 3. Connect again from way downtown for Liwanag. Outlet pass to Rubunba. Attack.
Side step. Time out.
Time out po ang TGB. Rubunba for 2. 62. Ironman. Wala pa rin palitan pa. Sa point guard. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Follow J. Connects for number 4. Run again. Transition 3. Calistao Gallo J.O. Calistao step back 3. Connects from way downtown again for Calistao. Joko again. Guarding by Calistao. Turnover. Outlet pass. Liwanag, easy delivery for 2, Liwanag. Dalawa na lang ko. The lead is down to 2 for the BBG. Russell Lugana, showing handles. Umingi, using the muscle. Jomar Santos, Amenander, subsidiary, very good shot using the power of Jomar. 10 seconds to play, 14 seconds. Sa kanilang shot clock, Calistao. To number 2, guarding Lugana, using the speed. Shot clock running down, 5 seconds. Step back 3 is good for Liwanag. Joko to Jomar. Almost in, deny. Losing the level. Transition 3, forward 1-3. Easy basket, easy deliveries for 2 from the A-Town. Laban na. 1 minute and 50 seconds to play. Rodriguez. Crossover move. Ang ganda ng pasa kay Russell. Easy scoop by Russell Lugana. Case favor din tayo. 23 seconds to play, 14 to shoot. Still by Jantil. Transition play. Jantil ang atake. Spin cycle. Easy lays up. Puts it in. Very good shot by Jantil. Grabe yung spin move to. Kentonet. Panot. Naroon ang Iskosyo. Iskosyo na kamadali. Dagdi Malandroid. Easy lays up. And a put back is good. 45 seconds to play.
Salo.
5 seconds.
Walang screen. Ayun na kuya. Ayo.
3 seconds. End of the third quarter. Ang score natin is 74-67. 7-point lead. 7-point lead for the DBG. Upo tayo. Yan. Joko, takes side step, takes on a giveaway button, outlet pass to B-Boy. B-Boy, centering, easy to reverse for B-Boy, Valencia. 8 minutes and 25 seconds to play. The captain, Zeruma, number 11, kick out pass, Joko, from way downtown, off the mark, remember Escocio and a put back by Escocio. Easy game by Escocio. Zeruma, attack. Win again. Very deny. By the shot blocker. Number 2, wide open 3. Can connect. Realize. Very good shot by Gabriel. Technical. Zeruma. Bilang kay B-Boy. B-Boy to Gabriel. To number 2. Kick out pass, space, wide open Jay, Cruz, nothing but net Paul Corey. Dead. Joko na makadali. Joko. Ang ganda ng pasa. Derrick Rivers. Paul Escosio. Balik bola, baka. Aba. Baayon na rin. Ayun to. Rafa Lagana. Connect Sparkle. Gary mo dyan. 2 points lang. 2 points lang, sorry. 2 points lang ay pinag-hatid sa inyo. Almost 3. Almost 2 na siya. Number 4. Number 4. Case. Ang ganda ng case. Gary shot. Jason Douglas. 82-80. Sino ang magkatayo? Nagpakilang naman. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. Liboy, atak, shooting Douglas. Can connect. Ano naman sila naman? Out the pass. Ikaw, Russell Gana. Conway downtown. Full strong. Timeout! BBG. BBG. Let's see the timeout. Timeout ang BBG. Timeout.
Bola nila eh.
Gandang laban ito. Kalistaw ang pagbabalik. The point guard. Signaling the play. Looking for a stimulate. Ay, penalty yan.
Football, right? Yan parang sigit namin kami.
Lolo.
Wala pa kayong foul.
Wala pa from the bench. Fresh from the bench. Ang babalik at ito ni Kalistaw. Fresh hits yan. First shot. Good again. Pero good shot. Ganda ka tayo. Ball 82. Second shot by Kalistaw. Fresh from the bench yan. Second shot. Lamang na ulit. Case favor na tayo. 1 minute and 18 seconds to play. Joko. The Iron Man. Joko. Hindi pa rin pinapalitan itong point game na to. Ayun tong. Skip pass to Russell Lagana. Number 4. Two-ball pass. Number 9. Ang ganda na pasa. Fake. Two-ball pass again. Russell from way downtown. Can't connect. Arimaoy. Parang inagawa ng lollipop. Or shot. Wala. Arima may liwanag. Liwanag. Kalistaw. Kalistaw. Nagkakalit. 56 seconds to play. 18 seconds to play. It's liwanag. It's the goal of good. Donovan shot. 26 seconds to play. Lamang. Number 2. Hindi siguro, para naman yung oras tayo. Sayang, hindi ko nila agad yung bola. Naggamit na ng oras. Pwede ang bulls man yan. Incorporated pa. Jog.
What's yan, Robin? Time to shoot.
Kalistaw to shoot. Almost never. Kalistaw. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Kakakain na. To shoot. 1 second. 1 second. Segundo lang yan, Idol. 23 seconds to play. Shot clock is off. Shot clock. 1 second to shoot. Shot clock violation na. 22 seconds to play. Shot clock is off. Timeout. Timeout ang BBG. 22.2 seconds to play. 82. Almost turnover. Foul. Reaching foul. Reaching foul for the Iron Man. Ayun mo. 2 shot. Nabaligtad. 3.3. Mahaba pa yan. Wala na tayo ng BBG. Ang Ace-Town, meron pang isa. For the Ace-Town. Almost see the deal. Mahaba pa yan. Third shot. Candidate for best player yan. Big time case or the big time player. Correct. 5. 10 seconds. Almost still the deal. Congratulations to team. Goes to the finals. Balik sa finals ang Ace Town, Coach. Congratulations, Ace Town. Okay, picture tayo sa nanalo. Best player of the game.